Hello guys, welcome to Ernest Academy YouTube channel. In this video I want to share with you how you can set up your Nodepay account and start farming the airdrop and other important tasks that you must fulfill in order to earn airdrop. Okay, for this airdrop we'll be needing Mrs. Browser, so if you don't have it, go straight to your Play Store, go to your phone Play Store, you search for Mrs. Browser. Okay, this is it. This is Mrs. Browser. You install it in your phone. Okay, after installing the Mrs. Browser, the next thing you need to do is to copy the link to this airdrop. Okay, for me, I'm going to copy it from my Telegram channel. If you are not in our Telegram channel, please click the link in my profile and join my Telegram channel so you're getting other important information. And for this airdrop, I'll be dropping the link for this airdrop in the description of this video. So when you click on the video, click on the description, you copy the link. Okay, so I'm copying it from Telegram. You can copy from Telegram channel, from our Telegram channel, or from the description of this video. Okay, so you head straight to Mrs. Browser. Okay, I will open a new tab so I can paste the link. Okay, so I just paste the link now. I will load the link. It will show this this dashboard. You enter your email, you enter your username, you enter your password. Okay, okay, I'll have to confirm the password again. Okay, then I will agree to their terms. I'm waiting for the verification to activate so I can verify before registering. Okay guys, I have to click on this box to verify that I'm a human. All right, I'll click on register now. Also, if you have registered before, you simply click on this login here at the top. You don't have to register again. Okay, so back to login. Then I will log in, enter my email, enter my password. Then I'll prove that I'm a human by clicking this box. Then I'll access my account. With this now, I have successfully registered on Nodepay. The next thing I need to do is to download the extension. So I'll click on connect. When I click on connect, it will take me to where I'm going to download the extension. Okay guys, this is the Nodepay extension. So what I have to do is to click on add to Chrome here. You can see it. Let me zoom it. Add to Chrome. So when I click on it, the extension will be added to the Mrs. browser that I'm using. Okay, so I'll click on it now. I'll click OK. The extension is downloading. Okay guys, the extension is now installed and it has connected automatically. You can see it's now farming. Okay, you click on this logo here, this logo for extension. You click on it, then you select Nodepay extension, you click on activate. It's very important. Many people signed up and they connected their extension but did not activate it, so it's very important. Activate it for the first time. So I'll click on activate. Is now activated. Okay, so let me open the dashboard. This is the main dashboard. Okay guys, we have installed the extension and we have activated the extension. Right, this now your Nodepay is farming. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is to complete the task. Okay, so I'll click on mission and end at the bottom. Okay, you can download their mobile app. If you are using iPhone, you click on download on App Store. If you are using Android, you click on get on Google Play. Okay, then you claim your daily login. Every day you log in, you claim it. Okay, I've claimed today's own. The next thing you need to do is to do these tasks here. Do these tasks. You connect your Discord. If you don't have Discord, just go to Play Store or App Store, download Discord app and sign up using your email account. After connecting your Discord, you connect your Twitter, then you verify your email. Then you can follow them on Twitter and do other secondary tasks here. You can join their Discord group and all that. Then after that, you come to this medal and boost. Okay, you do this question here. You answer this simple question. User understanding part 1. You answer this simple question. Then you come to medal and boost. After connecting your Discord, your Twitter, and some other secondary tasks here, after that you end this medal here, proof of womanhood. It's very important. Okay, then when you continue farming, once you farm up to 100 hours, you end this bandwidth provider, and these ones are the ones that you're going to earn from their Discord. So if you're active in their Discord group, you'll be able to earn some of this medal. But this one, proof of womanhood, is very important. It's what will prove to them that you're a human being and not a robot. So do it. Then if you want to refer your friends, you click on referral program here. You copy your referral link and share with your friends. Okay, for every friend you refer, you earn 100 points, 100 credits. Okay, so this is it about the dashboard. When you click on more, you see your earning history, your transaction history, and all that. Okay, I believe we have touched everything that is necessary. Remember, this your Nodepay extension might disconnect from time to time. So once you notice that it disconnected, you click on this extension symbol here at the top. When you click on it, you select Nodepay extension. When you select Nodepay extension, you know if it is connected or not. If it is connected, it will look exactly like this. If it's not connected, it will show disconnected. Then you refresh the page so that it will connect. Okay, your data needs to be on. For you to farm. So make sure that your extension is connected, preferably during the night while you are about to sleep. Connect your extension and extension of other airdrops that you are farming, so that they can farm throughout the night. With that, you'll be able to get up to 7 hours farming while you are asleep. Okay, so alternatively, this is another way you can install the extension. If you are not able, if you do not see the connect feature, in your app, or probably you made a mistake and deleted the extension. If you open a new tab, you click on extension here, you can see it, extensions. When the page loads, okay, you see different options for extension, wallet extension. Here you have MetaMask wallet extension and other wallet, OKS wallet extension and others. So you click on depin, okay, then you can see Nodepay. You can see Nodepay here. You click on it and you click on add to Chrome. For now, you are seeing remove from Chrome because we have already installed it. So if you have not installed it, you can now click on add to Chrome and it will be installed. Okay guys, please, if you gain value from this video, like and comment, share this video on all your social media platforms, share it with your friends. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.